Hi students, Rao sir here. So in this video, I am going to explain very much important concept, that is redox reactions. So how to find redox reactions? Generally in examination, you will get a question like this. So which one of the following is not a redox reaction? Which one of the following is redox reaction, like that. So first of all, what is redox reaction? What is the exact definition of redox reaction? Yeah. So we can say like this. Redox reactions are the type of reactions in which both oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Clear na students? So oxidation reduction एक ही reaction में हुआ तो उसको redox reaction बोलते हैं. Clear na? Yeah. So just look at the word. So what is redox reaction and what is the meaning of redox? Red plus ox. Red is nothing but reduction and ox is nothing but oxidation. So first 3 letters, here first 2 letters. That combination is nothing but redox. So what is redox, students? Redox is nothing but reduction plus oxidation. Clear na students? Yeah. So what is reduction and what is oxidation? What is the basic difference between these two? So reduction is nothing but technique, rig. Oxidation is nothing but technique, oil. So what is rig? What is the meaning of rig, dear students? Reduction is gain of electrons. What is the meaning of oil? Oxidation is loss of electrons. Is it clear, dear students? Rig is nothing but reduction is gain of electrons. Oil is nothing but oxidation is loss of electrons. Clear na? Yeah. Next, what is the basic difference between these two? Reduction is nothing but first point, addition of hydrogen. Here first point is addition of oxygen. Next here second point is removal of oxygen. Here second point is removal of hydrogen. Try to understand one important point. So oxidation reduction, the relation between these two is inversely proportional, like hero and villain. Hero को villain opposite होते हैं, villain को hero भी automatically opposite होते हैं. So oxidation को reduction opposite होते हैं, so reduction को oxidation opposite होते हैं. Clear ना? Okay students. So what is reduction? Addition of hydrogen, removal of oxygen. So what is oxidation? Addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Clear na students? So this is the basic important key point. And one more important shortcut technique, in a chemical reaction, left to right, if oxidation number is increases, that is oxidation. If left to right, if oxidation state is decreased, that is reduction. Just have a small look. What is oxidation and what is reduction? Oxidation in left to right, if oxidation number decreases, that is reduction. Clear na students? This is the basic introduction. So all elements in neutral form, oxidation number 0. So ionic ions, so the charge of an atom is nothing but oxidation state. Here charge is nothing but +2, that indication +2. So this is left 0, this is right +2. So left to right 0 convert into +2, that indication oxidation number increases, that is oxidation. Next, Sn +2 get converts into Sn +4, same logic. So here oxidation number is +2, here oxidation number is +4. So left side +2 and right side +4. So if left to right oxidation number increases, that is oxidation. So here what was happened? Increased, that indication this is also oxidation only. Next, so here oxidation state is 0. Cl minus is nothing but minus 1. So 0 converts into minus 1, that indication decreased. So this is also a reduction. So you have to focus on these 4 examples, then automatically you are going to understand. So first I am going with this reaction, H2 plus Cl2. So whenever hydrogen react with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, so it is a chemical reaction. So here question is it redox reaction or not? That is the important question. Just look at the board. So how to find out, is it redox reaction or normal reaction? Let me explain clearly. Just look at the board. So what is the oxidation state of H2? Already I told you, elemental form, molecular form, always 0. So this is 0. So this is also 0. So what about H? Generally H gets positive charge and Cl gets negative charge. Why? Because there is electronegativity difference. So here hydrogen and chlorine. So out of 2, hydrogen is less electronegative. Less electronegative usually gets positive charge, and chlorine is more electronegative. More electronegative usually gets negative charge. That's the reason hydrogen oxidation state is +1 and chlorine oxidation state is -1. Then, so what is the combination here? Hydrogen hydrogen combination and chlorine chlorine combination. You just observe what happened here. 0 convert into +1, that is nothing but oxidation. So 0 convert into -1, that is nothing but reduction. Here students, it is a chemical reaction. In this chemical reaction, both oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. That's the reason it is a redox reaction, yes or no? So it is a redox reaction. Is it clear, my dear students? Next, for better understanding purpose, I am going to explain one more example. Just look at the board. So is it redox reaction or not? So here carbon oxidation state is 0 and O2 oxidation state is 0. So here carbon oxidation state is +4 and oxygen oxidation state is -2. So this is carbon and this is carbon. 0 convert into +4, that indication oxidation. So oxygen oxygen. So 0 convert into -2, that indication reduction. So is it redox reaction or not? Yes. Yes, it is a redox reaction. It is a redox reaction. Next, one more example, dear students. Just look at the board. CuO plus H2 gets converted into Cu plus H2O. So Cu is nothing but +2 and H2 is nothing but 0. Here Cu is nothing but 0 and H is nothing but +1. So Cu and Cu, hydrogen and hydrogen. Yeah. So +2 convert into 0, that indication reduction. So 0 convert into +1, that indication oxidation. So is it redox reaction or not? Yes, it is also a redox reaction. It is also a redox reaction. Next, what about students? Here Ba gets +2 and here also Ba gets +2. So +2 convert into +2. So there is no meaning, that indication it is not a redox reaction. It is not a redox reaction. Here students, here CaCO3, Ca gets +2 and here also Ca gets +2. Here carbon gets something, here carbon gets +4. So what about here carbon? Generally CaCO3 gets converted into like this, Ca +2, CO3 -2. Clear na? So here carbon you need to take X +3 into oxygen value -2, that equal to -2. So X minus 6 equal to -2, X equal to -2, -6 gets converted into +6. So then X equal to +4. So here also carbon gets +4. So Ca +2, again Ca +2, carbon +4, again carbon +4. So there is no meaning, there is no change in oxidation state from left to right. That indication it is also not a redox reaction. It is also not a redox reaction. Clear na students? So like this way you need to find the answers. Clear? So very simple concept. You have to focus on this concept. Bye for now. See you again.